Aslam with you, second year, and today we are going to have introduction about the endocrine system and the hormonal system of our body. Endocrine system and the nervous system go side by side. जैसा कि the nervous system controls our main responses of the body to the environment, the protective as well as the adaptive responses. Similarly, the endocrine system is also concerned with the inner responses, the autonomic responses, the hormonal responses of the body to the environment, and this system is mainly concerned with those secretions and those messengers, second messenger systems in the body, that control the emotional responses, maintenance of life, the reproductive life, and the adaptable responses of the system to the body. So the endocrine system mainly is concerned with the life's variabilities and the adaptive responses. The history of the endocrine system lasts up till the discovery of secretion that was known as secretin. Those secretions were controlling the system of pancreas while they were secreted from another place known as intestines. So these were produced from one organ known as intestines, and they were controlling the secretions of the pancreas that was distant to the intestines. So these were known as hormones, and hormones word meaning is to arouse the activity, to raise the activity, or to initiate the activity of some other organ. So to define the hormone, it is a substance produced in any one part of an organism. It is transported to the other part, and there it influences a specific physiological process, or it modifies or initiates or stops the physiological function of the other organ by secondarily means. So these are the secretions. Hormones are the secretions or the messenger systems of the endocrinology. Endocrinology is based upon certain specific endocrine glands. Those are secreting the specific secretions in the body. So to understand to remember the definition, this diagram will be very helpful. These are the hormones, are the secretions from certain cell of the body which are known as glands. These pour the secretions in the transport system of the body, from where these secretions or the hormones travel to the other parts where the receptors of these hormones are, and in those parts these hormones